Ever wished you could sprinkle some really unique audio magic into your electronic music mixes or DJ sets, like a forgotten vintage sample or a quirky field recording, without getting tangled up in copyright concerns? Well, you absolutely can, and the answer lies in exploring public domain sound archives. These incredible resources offer a treasure trove of audio that is completely free for you to use, modify, and integrate into your creations however you wish. It is an amazing way to discover fresh sonic textures and truly personalize your sound. The term public domain simply means that the intellectual property rights to a piece of work, in this case audio, have expired, been forfeited, or were never applicable in the first place. This means the audio legally belongs to everyone, allowing creators like you to freely access and incorporate these sounds into your projects. It removes all the legal headaches that often come with using copyrighted material. To start using these archives, first you will need to find them. Excellent starting points include the Internet Archive, which hosts a vast collection of historical recordings and sounds, and websites like freesound.org, though be sure to filter for public domain or Creative Commons Zero licenses there. Once you find a suitable archive, browse through its categories, search by keywords such as vintage synth, nature sounds, or old radio clips, and listen to previews. Download the files you like, typically in common formats like WAV or MP3, and then import them directly into your digital audio workstation or a W4 music production, or into your DJ software to layer them into your sets. A fantastic aspect of public domain archives is the sheer variety they offer. You might discover rare historical speeches, peculiar animal sounds, ambient urban soundscapes from decades past, or even early electronic music experiments. These hidden gems can add a distinctive flavor to your tracks, setting your sound apart from others. Think of it as a sonic archaeological dig, unearthing sounds that no one else is currently using. By tapping into public domain sound archives, you are not just getting free audio, you are unlocking a world of creative possibilities. You gain instant access to a diverse palette of unique sounds, allowing you to build richer, more imaginative mixes without ever having to worry about copyright infringement or usage fees. It empowers you to experiment fearlessly and infuse your electronic music with truly original elements.